Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get the new light up Siri feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first requirement is this feature is available on the iPhone 16 series, 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. You also need to update to iOS 18.3 or newer. If you have any other iPhone model, this won't work. Even if you update it to iPhone to 18.3 or newer, then turning on the feature once you have a compatible iPhone and iOS 18.3 or newer. Go to the settings of your phone, look for the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Simply you can search it from there. Okay, then tap on it. If you see, join the wait list for the steps. If you not, make sure the toggle is turned on. Then for the next step, go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option from there and scroll down and find the language and region option and tap it. Then make sure your language is set to English US. Then step 4 is, if you still don't see the feature, quickly press the volume up button and release and down button and release, and press and hold the side button until you see the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears like this. Okay, this will reboot your phone. Then once everything set up, go back to settings and check if Apple Intelligence and Siri is turned on. Now you can say hey Siri or press and hold the side button to activate the light up Siri feature. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.